Hello everyone, this is a walk around video of a 2017 Crosstrek Premium with Eyesight. The car has 17,000 miles. It is rebuilt after right quarter panel replacement. It's a Venetian pearl red, very nice burgundy color. Some minor scratches in the front bumper. It's been touched up. But other than that, car is super clean for the mileage that it has. Very little dents or scratches. Matching tires. You see all the gaps are perfect. Paint matched well. Gonna move on to the interior. Just got the premium radio. It's got heated seats. Both seats are in good condition. It's got the rubberized mats. The engine bay. The engine bay is perfect. The car was never hit in the front, so no issues. AC is cold. Now we're going to take it for a quick test drive. Everything's smooth. No suspension noise. Very nice driver. It's got a backup camera. I'm gonna feature it in a second. Just gonna... Yeah, it's got the blind spot for it. Cars incoming, that's a nice feature for younger drivers. So that concludes the video. If you're interested, please feel free to give me a call. Thanks.